Welcome to HCF and LCM. It's one of my favorite and very easy. You can score marks very easily in this one. And how to find out the highest common factor. We are supposed to do from the prime factorization method, that is 52. Write 52 and try to divide by the by the smallest prime factor. The prime numbers, let us understand the prime numbers. I have already told you what are prime numbers. So 52 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. And you have a carry, so it becomes 12. 2 6 are 12, so 26. So 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. It becomes 13. So what you're supposed to do is write this separately. 2 into whatever prime numbers you've got, prime factors, write down. And even write down this one, 30. And then simplify it. How many 2's are there? You have 2 2's. So 2 to the power of 2 into 30. Okay, next. And this is our main answer. Okay, you keep that in mind. And we have 72. 72 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. And you have a carry. 2 6 are 12. You have 36. Then 36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 18, this is a 36. 18. Then 2 nines are 18. Right? Then you have 3. It is not divisible. 9 is not divisible without leaving any reminder. So do it with 3. 3 threes are 9. You have 3. Okay. So write this one. Okay. The second steps. Write the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and even this 3. So here it is. So write down 2 is a factor. Okay. And 3 is also there. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power of 3. How many 3's? 192. So 3 to the power of 2. And come to 61. 61 itself is a prime number. So stop. You're supposed to stop when the prime number appears, like 33 or 61. Now, what you're supposed to do is to find the common. You're supposed to write down the numbers first, like the question, 52, 72, and 61. And see what's common here. There should be something common in every number. So take this one for this. 2 to the power of 2 into 13. And then 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 2. And nothing common, 61. So can you tell me anything which is common in all the 3? No, we cannot find. We can find common here, that is 2, but it is not common in all the 3. That is common only in 2 numbers. Hence, when there is no common, we are supposed to go with 1. Okay, so the answer is 1. The highest common factor for 52, 72, and 61 is nothing but 1. Okay, let me go with least common factor with 188 divided by 2. How much? 94, because 2 9's are 18, 2 4's are 8, 94. Then is 94 divisible by 2 is equal to 47, and 47 is a prime number. And again, 52. 52 we have done earlier. Okay, you get this answer for 52. That is 2 into 13. Okay. Now here, the common multiples, the prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 47 This can be simplified as 2, because there are 2 2's, so to the power of 2 into 47. And later here, because we have already done this, 52, okay, appears here as well, and hence the same thing you're supposed to calculate, and you'll get the answer as to the power of 2 into 13. See something common. The common is this one, and hence you're supposed to see the common. 2 into 2 is how much? 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 2 into 2, and hence the answer is nothing but 4. Let us find the HCF, and they have asked even for the LCM. It's a very tricky question, but as we know how to do it perfectly. Like 120 divided by 2, it is 60. Let me write it properly for you. Okay. Divided by 2 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 divided cannot be divided by 2, so divided by 3, it is 5, and 5 is a prime number, and the rule says when the prime number comes, please stop. So write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so there are how many 2's? There are 3 2's, so 2 to the power of 3. Okay, you forgot 5 as well. Okay, 5, and there is a 3 and 5. Okay, got it? Done. Now 148. 148 divided by, is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. So divided by 2 is 74. 74 divided by 2. 74 divided by 2 is nothing but is 37. So we are supposed to write 2 into 2 into 37. Yes, correct. That's right, because 37 is a prime number. So how many 2's are there? There are 2 2's. So 2 to the power of 2 into 37. Okay, next. Yeah. Now let us compare 120 120 is equals to 2 cube 3 3 into 5, and what else you have? 148. In 148, how much is that? 2 square, to the power of 2 into 37. So what's common? So what's common? So what's common? The only thing that's common is 2. And you have to see the power. Whichever has the least power, that will be your answer. So here 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so the answer should be either A or D. We got the HCF, and HCF is 4. And let us see the LCM. Let me do it over here. The LCM, for LCM, you're supposed to take again the numbers. Okay, let us take the numbers now. 120 and 148. In 120, we have got 2 to the power of 3 into 3 into 5, and hence we have got 2 to the power of 2 into 37. Here we're supposed to take all the prime factors. All these are prime factors, okay? All these are prime factors. But there is a rule. There is a rule. And the rule says that if any prime factors is common, then take only the prime factor whose power is highest. That is for LCM, okay? So the only common is 2 and the highest power is 3. So 2 into 3 and take into 3, because we have to take all the factors, prime factors, into 5 and don't leave 37, into 37. So 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 8. How? 2 to the 4, 4 2s are 8, into 3, into 5, into 37. And the answer is nothing but 4440. So the HCF is 4, LCM is 440, the answer is D. So this is the easiest, like they've already given the answer. So the product of LCM, the product is nothing but multiplication of LCM and HCF is how much? Is 540. And what they have asked us to find, then the product of the numbers is, so the product of the number is LCM HCF is equals to the product of numbers. Product of numbers, which is nothing but 540. So the answer is 540 only. Now let us find the HCF of 102, 150 and 60. Hope so you already are aware and how to find, but let me show once more and let us make it very easier for you. 102 divided by 2, it comes 51, and 51 can be divided by, it is not divisible by 2, it can be divided by 3, and it comes 17. And 17 is a prime number, so stop. 2 into 3 into 17. Okay, this is done. Now 150. So 150 is 150 divided by 2 is nothing but 75. 75 is not divisible by it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, and 15. So 25 is not divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, so 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, now come back to this 60. 60, it is easily divisible by 2, which shows us 30 is a product, 30 is a it can be divisible by 2 and 30. 30 is also divisible by 2, it comes 15, and 15 is also divisible, it's not divisible by 2, it's divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, and 5 is also divisible. 5 is a prime number, so stop. 5 is a prime number, so stop. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And now what we are supposed to do, we're supposed to simplify. There's nothing to simplify here, but there is something to simplify here. Why? Because we have 2 5s. Okay, so into 5 to the power of 2, and here we have 2 2s. Okay, 2 to the power of 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is we're supposed to find the HCF. That means we have to see what's common. What's the most common here? So that is for 102. In 102 we have 2 into 3 into 17. Okay, then for 150 we have what? We have this 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, and for 60 we have 2 to the power of 2, 3 into 5. Now what's common in all the three? There's something common in all the three, that is 2 into 3. But there is even all this 2 into 3 into 5 common in all this, but we are looking only which is common for all the three, that is 2 into 3. As I told, the rule in HCF is that it is 2 to the power of 2, but we are supposed to take the least. Okay, that is, this is the least because it doesn't have any power. Okay, 2 into 3 is how much? 6. The answer is nothing but the 6. Okay, that is your answer. I'm enjoying this because there's a very simple problem and you can easily get marks from these one, from this. You can easily get marks from this. So 50, 26, 81, and 63. What we're supposed to find? LCM. And what's the rule in LCM? The first, we're supposed to find the prime factors. The prime factors, 50 is divided by 2, so it becomes 25. 25 is divided by 5, and it gives you the prime number 5. So stop. So it becomes 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. Then we have 26. 26 is very easily divisible by 2. It's very easily divisible. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. That is 13. Okay, it is 2 into 13. And then comes 81. 80 is divisible by 3. 3 into 27. 27 is also divisible by 3. 3 nines are 27. Again, 9 is also divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. Stop it because 3 cannot is a prime number. So what you have got? You have got 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, then you have got 63 by 3 is equal to 21. 21 is also divisible by 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So what we have got? 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, into 7. How can we write this? We can write this as 2 into 5 to the power of 2, because here. Then 2 into 13. Then for this 81, it is all the 4 threes. So we can write as 3 to the power of 4, and then 3 to the power of 2 into 7. So what we're supposed to do, I have told you very clearly, in LCM, we are taking all the prime factors, but with an exception that if any prime factors is repeating, like for example here 3 is repeated, so we'll take only the one which has the highest prime factors. So let's start from beginning. See, the 2 is repeated, because then we'll take only 1 2. Okay, 2 into the 5 is not repeated, so we'll take 5 to the power of 2. Then we're gonna take 3 to the power of 4, and then we're gonna take 7, and then 13. Okay, do this matches anywhere? Yes, it matches. See here, 2 to the power of 3 by 4 into 5 by 2 into 17, 13. So what we're going to do is 2, let us do it, let us put it in order. 2, 3 by 4 into 5 by 2 into 17 into 13. Okay, so that gives the answer B. Is, you know that it is given in decimal form, so we are supposed to convert it in a whole number form. So 1.8. So there are 3 numbers of a decimal point and 1 number. There are 3 numbers of the decimal point and there is 1 number. So take the maximum. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take 10, and this applies for every kind of decimal. Okay, decimal because it is 10, and the highest number of the decimal is 3. So multiply it with 3. I mean, give the power of 3. So 10 into 10 into 10. That is 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So it is 1000. Now multiply it with 1000. 1444 into 1000. So you'll get the answer 144, and 1.8 into 1000, you'll get 1800. And here, from here starts our usual way of solving the problem of HCF. 144 divided by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, so 72. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 36. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16, 8. 2 9s are 18, okay. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 is a prime factor. Stop. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, okay. How much? How many 2s? There are 4 2s, 2 to the power of 4 into, there are 2 3s, 2 to the power of 2. And now, okay. So going with 1800, that is divisible by 2. You can go on and on with it. 1800 divided by 2 is 900. 900 divided by 2 is, you're going to become 450. 450 divided by 2 is 225. 225 cannot divide by 2, and hence divided by 3 is 75, and 75 cannot be divided by, can it be divided by 3? Yes, it can be divided by 3 is 25, and 25 cannot be divided by 3, can be divided only by 5. So 5 5s are 25. So what we have got? We have got 1 2 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 in 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, simplify it. We've got 3 2s, 2 to the power of 3, and 3 2s, 2 3s, so 3 to the power of 2, and 2 5 into the 5 to the power of 2. Okay, so here, I've told you, whenever you find the LCM, you see what's common. Whenever you find the HCF, what's the question? The question is of HCF. Whenever you find the HCF, you take HCF, you see what answer you've got. You've got 2 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 2. And you've got 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 2, and then 5 to the power of 2. Okay, what's common? The common is this one, okay, 2 and 3, and which has the least power. The least power is 2 3 into 3 2. Simplify, okay, let me simplify it here. Let me simplify 2 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 8. Then 3 2. Okay, this one. 3 2 is equals to, okay, 3 2 is equals to 3 into 3. So how much? 9. So what we have got the answer? 8 into 9. So what's the answer? 72. Then don't forget that we haven't taken the decimal. Okay, don't forget we had converted to decimal earlier, and hence we are supposed to divide it by 1 2 3 thousand. So what's the answer? 0.072. Is that right? Yes, absolutely. And is that answer available? Yes, it's available. That is number 8. Okay.